Yesterday, I believe, was the summer solstice, but I think that most people are celebrating it today on trail. Tradition is Naked Hiking Day. I obviously am not partaking in that, and hopefully some other people do, and I can get some really good pictures. But anyway, last night was epic. We stayed on top of McAfee Knob, even though you're not supposed to camp up there, and woke up super early and got to see the sunrise, and it was just perfect. Today we are doing 15 miles into Daleville and gonna stay at a hotel and get Taco Bell. Almost there. This looks like it's it. Tinker Cliffs. I've hit 3 vertical climbs since McAfee Knob. It's just to get to Tinker Cliffs. 30-pound pack-ish, 90-degree heat. I feel like I'm gonna die. That big mountain right there is McAfee Knob, and we just walked that whole ridge line over here to where I'm at right now, which is Tinker Cliffs. So check this out. Rocks, 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 rocks. Big rock, big hole. Holy cow. How steep do you think that is? That's probably 100 feet. That definitely is. Wait till we go.